Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 1 math. Chapter we're on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition and subtraction ways to make a number. How do we make 3? So basically we are given more than like 3 or 4 addition sentences. We need to see which one makes the 3, like either or subtracted, so one of them makes 3, right? So here we are given with 4 of the options. The correct option is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3, right? So the correct option is the only option that can make 3 is 10 minus 7 equals 3. Let's just start with the test questions. How do you make 8? So let's just subtract them one by one and see which one makes 8, either subtracted or either added, right? 12 take away 5. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 take away 5 is 7. The next one is 8 plus 2. So start with 8 and count up to 2. So that is 8, 9, 10. The correct option is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So you need to find how do you make. So the only option that can make 8 is 10 minus 2. The correct option is 10 minus 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you make 3? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 11 take away 5 is 6. 10 take away 7 is 3. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So the correct option is how do you make 3 is 10 take away 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you make 5? So let's just see which one makes 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Option number 4 is the correct option. The fourth option is the correct option. That is 9 minus 4. How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? That is 7 plus 3 is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. How do you make 2? That is 4 take away 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 take away 2 makes 2. How do you make 9? So which of the option when added or subtracted makes 9? That is 9 take away 0 is 0. How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? So 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So the correct option is 2 plus 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. How do you make 2? Which is the correct option? 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So which of the option makes 2? The correct option is option number 4, that is 7 minus 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is which sign makes the number sentence true? Which sign is missing? 5. You need to put a sign over here like if we add 5 and 2, that makes 7, or if you subtract, that makes 7. So let's just replace the question mark first by the addition sign, right? So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now replace the question mark with 7. So 5 take away 2 is 7. The question is which sign is missing? So 5, the missing. So that is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's just start with the test questions. Which sign is missing? 6, the missing sign 1 equals 5. So let's just see if we replace this question mark with addition or subtraction. Let's just replace the sign with the addition first. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not equal to 5. So that means that isn't the correct option, right? Now look for the other option, that is we can subtract. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 is equal to 5. So that means the missing sign is subtraction. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? 7 plus 1 is 6 or 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 7 minus 1 equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? 5 plus 3 is 8 or 5 take away 3 is 8. Yes, that means we are adding. Just look at this number. If the number is greater than both of the numbers from this side, that means for sure you are going to add them. Here you have 8. 8 is greater than from 8 is greater than from both the numbers like 5 and 3. It is greater than 5, it is greater than 3. So that means their sum must be 8, right? Because both the numbers are smaller than 8. So their sum must equals 8. Which sign makes the statement true? 5 plus 2 is 7 or 5 minus 2 is 7? So again, 7 is greater than both the numbers, right? So that means you are adding 5 plus 2 is 7. Which sign is missing? That is, you are adding 4 plus 1 is 5. So which sign is missing? 1, the missing sign 1 equals to either you are adding or subtracting. 1 plus 1 is 2, you are adding, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? Yes, that means we are subtracting because 1 is less than the other two numbers given. So that means yes, we are subtracting. Which sign makes the statement true? 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 minus 1 is 6, which is the correct option. Yeah, 5 plus 1 is 6. You are adding option number 2 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? Four minus 2 is 2. So that means we are subtracting. The correct option is the first one. Which sign is missing? Very good. 4 plus 3 is 7. The correct option is adding. Which sign is missing? That is 9. Take away 3 is 6. The correct option is 9 take away 3 is 6. Which sign is missing? That is 8 take away 2 is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next. So the next lesson is addition of numbers up to 10. Add 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 equals 9 plus 1. You have to start with 9, count up to 1. So 9, 10. The correct option is 10. Let's just start with the test questions. Subtract 1, take away 0. Subtracting any number from 0 means the number stays the same. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 1. So when subtracting, the easier way is start with the smaller number and count up to the greater one. Start with 1 and count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. That means 3 take away 1 is that is 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 1. Yes, 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. The correct option is 10. Add 0 plus 4. That is 4 plus 0 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, subtract 7, take away 4. Start with 4, count up to 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 take away 4 is 3. Add 3 plus 0. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3. Adding 0 or subtracting 0, the number stays the same. 5 plus 5. So which is the correct option? That is 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Add 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5 it is. The correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five plus 1. 6 it is. The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Facts numbers up to 18. Let's just start with the test questions. Start with 8 and count up to 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 makes 13. The correct option number 4 is the correct option, that is 13. 4 plus 1. So start with 4 and count up to 1. So the correct option is 5. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, 15. Take away 7. Start with 7 and count up to 15. Right, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's just count them together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 15. Take away 7 is 8. The correct option is 8. Option 2 is the correct option. Add 7 plus 0, which is the correct option. So adding and subtracting 0 means the number stays the same. So 7 plus 0 is 7. The correct option is 7. Then take away 1, which is the correct option. 10 take away 1 is 9. That's 9. 6 plus 4, which is the correct option. 6 plus 4 equals 10. It is the correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, 12 take away 7, which is the correct option. 12 take away 7 is 12 take away 7 is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. So 15 take away 6 is 9 it is. The correct option is 9. 15 take away 6 is 9. Very good. 11 take away 5 is, start with 5 and count up to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 take away 5 is 6. The correct option is 6. 3 plus 4, which is the correct option. So 3 plus 4 makes, yes, 7 it is. The correct option is 7. Add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is, yes, 0 it is. 4 plus 1 equals, 5. 4 plus 1 makes 5. The correct option is 5. 5 it is, right? I did a mistake. I selected the wrong option. Okay. 12 take away. Yes, 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself at a rail. So we were working on grade chapter, working on mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, ways to make a number, which sign makes this number sentence true, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 10, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 18. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have. So any questions You can please ask if you have any. No questions.